In September 2017, a deadly Category 5 hurricane, Hurricane Maria, devastated Dominica, St. Croix, and Puerto Rico. 6 months after the hurricane, the interior of the island was still mostly without water and power. Imagine your life without power or water for even a few weeks. Many groups like our Rotary Club initiated relief efforts to lighten the burden of the disaster. What we heard from families and communities was thank you for the food, the water, the cleaning supplies. But what we really need is jobs. It is estimated that Puerto Rico lost more than 400,000 residents immediately before and after the hurricane, and the island continues to lose residents due to the lack of job opportunities. Indeed, the interior of the island has an unemployment rate of over 20% pre-COVID. Multi-Access Manufacturing, who was already looking for a new facility in Florida, and after being told none of the buildings would be allowed to have light industrial zoning or be given special use permits, Multi-Access leadership almost gave up. Almost. This was when we were asked to speak to the Puerto Rico Industrial Development Council. We discussed our manufacturing needs and what we were looking for in a new facility. Due to that conversation, Multi-Access began the journey to determine whether Puerto Rico was a viable location for our manufacturing business. Was this somewhere Multi-Access could thrive and truly impact the greater community? We met and talked to Mayor Colon, the Development Council contact Jose Castro, and industry peers across the island. We discussed their personal successes, growth they were expecting to see, and partnerships they were open to. We found that most of Puerto Rico is considered a hub zone, and receiving our hub zone certification would be much easier to accomplish here on the island. We also found our technically advanced machines would complement our peers on the island, allowing strategic partnerships to form. This was the divine catalyst that tipped the scales for our move to Puerto Rico. The mayor and community had opened their arms to us, making us feel welcome. As our conversations in Puerto Rico continued, we received emails with pictures of various buildings that were available. I can recall the exact moment I saw a picture of our building. I knew without a doubt this was where we were to grow our operations, and this was the community we were to impact. The space is a thing of beauty, perfect for our operations in every way: size, space, layout, expansion potential, docks for deliveries and shipping, on a main road, everything we were looking for. The renovation would be extensive. The driving force, we knew without doubt we were to bring our production operation here, bringing jobs, high-tech manufacturing, and sustainable solar solutions. We can't wait to begin.